morning everyone. In previous class, we discussed about the first class brickwork in foundation and plinth work. How can we calculate the brickwork and how can we calculate the cement and sand? So here we utilize here the material brickwork. We know for the 10 cubic it is equal to 5000 numbers, and the cement for 10 cubic use 0.45 cubic or 13.5 packs, and the sand use 2.7 cubic. So the rate of brickwork for the per numbers are for cubic, it is equal to 1550. Then the cement is 4410 rupees per cubic, and sand is 150 rupees per cubic. So the total cost of the material it is equal to for 1550 into 5 numbers, 500 numbers. Then and into cement is 0.45 into 4410, and sand is 2.7 into 150. Then the total cost is 7750 plus 1984.50 plus 40005. It is equal to 10,139.50. Then labor requirement for the mistri, mason, mazdoor and boys and women coolies and visti, it is required for the brickwork. So mistri or head mason required half numbers for 10 cubic of brickwork, and mason 7 numbers used for the 10 cubic of brickwork, and here the mazdoor and welder use 7 numbers for the 10 cubic of brickwork, and boys and women coolies which is used 7 numbers for the 10 cubic of brickwork, and the sundry and the bisti is used 2 numbers for the 10 cubic of brickwork. So here mistake cost is 150 rupees we consider. So half into 150 it is equal to 75. The cost is 75, and the mason cost rate for day used is considered 125. So 7 numbers of mason is 7 into 125, it is equal to 875, and mazdoor is used 60 per day. So 60 into 7 numbers of mazdoor, so total value is 420. And the boys and women coolies per day cost is 50 rupees. 50 into 7 and it is equal to 350. And bisti cost 50 per day. So total 2 numbers of bisti used for 10 cubic. So 2 into 50 is equal to 100. So here for the brickwork the lump sum quantity is considered 25 rupees, or also we consider the total quantity of labor 2.5 to 3%. Okay, so here the constant we consider for the 10 cubic of the lump sum quantity is 25 rupees. So here we consider 25 rupees. The total value of material and labor we need to calculate. We know already the total value of material is equal to 10,139.50, and the total quantity of labor is equal to 1,845. Then the total of material and labor cost is equal to 10,139.50 plus 108,045. It is equal to 11,984.50. Then we consider the water charge, which is 1.5% or 1.5% of total cost. It is equal to 180. And the contractor profit, which is 10% of the total cost of material and labor, which is equal to 1198.45. It is the grand total is 13,362.95. The total cost of 10 cubic of brickwork it is equal to 13,362.95. So here the rate per cubic we define first, because in the question the per cubic value we need to find out. So here the 10 cubic the value is 13,362.95. So for rate for 1 cubic it is equal to 13,362.95 by 10. It is equal to this 1,336. So the next we discuss about the It is the total, the cost of the cement concrete cost of first class brickwork we discuss. Just example of the how to calculate the rate analysis of the material and labor. So in the same process, we need to calculate for the plastering, for the brickwork, for the cement concrete, and for the DPC work, excavation work. Also, we need to calculate. But here, the different types of work and different types of item need different types of labor and the different types of material also. So, the labor cost and material costs also vary time to time. So, we need to focus on it and change the value of material time to time. So then after that we discuss about task and outturn work. What is by task and outturn work? The capacity of doing work by an artisan or skilled labor in the form of quantity of work per day is known as task. So it is the capacity of doing work. How much work we doing on for day. It is known as a task of work. Okay. Or outturn of the labor. How much quantity of work doing by a labor per day, how much quantity of cement concrete doing, how much quantity of brickwork doing. So it is based on the quantity of doing work per day. It is known as the task or outturn. Okay. The outturn of work per addition varies with situation and location. And in bigger cities where specialized and experienced labor is available, the outturn is greater than in small town and countryside. In well organized work, less labor is required. So what are the different types of situation and location? So different location, the situation of the location and the location, the site and the soil condition, it is vary. So the labor work or labor outturn is also vary because the situation and different location doing the work capacity of the labor is less when the work capacity of the labor is higher. It is varied. So situation and location is very much important. The weather condition, the site condition and the water availability we also need to check to doing some work. So the labor location and situation is varied for the different outturn of work. In bigger cities where specialized work, because bigger cities the specialized and skilled labor is available easily. So in case of bigger cities the work outturn is greater than as compared to small cities. So small cities having less number of labor, also less skill. So bigger cities having experienced labor and first class skill labor. So the first class skill labor doing work capacity or outturn is much more or much greater than the second class skill labor or unskilled labor. So the task and outturn is depend upon the location, depend upon the situation and depend upon the labor capacity and experienced labor. So it is the task and outturn we need to define on the basis of the labor capacity. Okay. Then we discuss about valuation. What is my valuation? Valuation is the technique of estimating and determining the fair price or value of a property such as building, a factory or other engineering structures of various type, land, etc. The present value of a property may be decided by its selling price or the rent it may fetch. The valuation is a technique. So valuation is the process or is a taking of determining the price or cost of the different types of objects. In the different types of location also, how the condition or situation of the area, it's the that situation or that condition is varied, or the valuation will define determined by the position also, and the selling price. Property may be decided in the valuation of the particular product. Okay, so the today time is over. The remaining part we discuss in next class.